Hi Neddies, welcome back to this channel. How are you guys doing?
Hey guys.
Today we are in the kitchen and today I'm gonna teach my wife how to make fried dumplings. Where do you learn about fried dumplings?
I learned about fried dumpling in last year when we were in St. Vincent. My mother-in-law made some for dinner, so that's where I learned it.
Yeah, so today we're gonna actually get in the process of making it, and I hope you guys love it because fried dumpling is so good. Most people eat it with with saltfish, but I'm gonna do some wings with it, some fried wings with it. You know, she don't eat meat, but so it's only gonna be me eating the fried chicken.
No. And we'll have lentils. I love lentils and rice. So it'll be fried dumpling, chicken, rice, lentils.
So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click that subscription button, ring that notification bell so you can get a video every time we upload. Now let's get into the process of making fried bakes, or as we say in the Caribbean, fried dumpling.
Hey y'all. Okay, so we're gonna go over the ingredients for the fried bakes real quick. The first thing is a cup of oil that will be set aside to actually fry the bakes in. You need 1.5 cups of lukewarm water, 2 cups of plain flour, and here on this plate you'll just need a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of white sugar or brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and about 1.5 teaspoons of butter. Hey y'all, so let's get the mixing. That was real southern, I know. We're gonna dump in all of the dry ingredients and the butter, just all at one time. Make sure you have a spatula so that you can get everything off the plate and get it in your bowl. Then we'll dump in the 1.5 cups of lukewarm water. I'm going to start off mixing with the spatula first, but then at some point you'll probably need to use your hands to knead the dough and form a ball. So we'll just start here. And one thing we didn't mention that we probably should have mentioned is you'll need some dough to the side to actually knead in. You know, just like on a flat surface, so that your dough won't be sticky and it can just pick up that extra flour. So there we go. We're gonna get this finished mixing and then we'll move it over to just the countertop and start to knead the dough. All right, y'all, so we had to make an adjustment to the recipe. I think we may have had a little too much water. So I would do less water, maybe like a 1.5 cups or a cup, and more flour. So we adjusted the flour. We probably put about 3/4 to a cup more of flour in this recipe. But we will leave a recipe down below so you'll have proper measurements. And so now I'm just kneading in the bowl, getting the dough good and mixed. It's still kind of sticky, so when it's sticky like that, you probably need to add flour. It would be better to have it on a floured surface so that you can, you know, really work it in.
Yes, so as you can see, I took over a little. So this is what your flour will look like after you have kneaded, you know, the dough. So we're gonna let this sit for like about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and start to make those bake, shake them out. Then we're gonna get the pot heated, put the oil in, and then we're gonna make those fried dumplings.
Okay guys, so the dough is here. It's been resting for about 15 minutes. We are going to form them into the shape, the dumpling shape, before we get ready to fry them. So we'll give you a few examples of how they should look before they go into the oil to fry. Hey y'all, so we're over here at the stove and we're gonna go ahead and pour in that cup of oil that we need to fry the bakes while Hamlet is finishing up rolling out the dough into the dumpling shape. We're just going to heat some oil in a skillet on, let's say, maybe medium-low heat. We just want to get a nice little fry going. Not nothing too harsh or too hard. Like, we don't want to deep fry them or anything. We just want to fry them nice and steady on each side. So we'll get this oil warmed up and then we'll come back and show you when we put in the first few dumplings.
So we're gonna put the dumpling in now.
So while you're doing that, how many minutes should they fry on each side?
Like about 7 minutes.
Or until what? Maybe they're golden brown?
Yeah. 7 minutes until they're like golden brown on one side, and then you flip them over. On the other side, and when both sides are golden, then you know it's finished. So we're gonna give them a little flip.
Our finished product of bakes. We were able to make quite a bit. As you can see, they're fried nicely, golden brown, round, even on each side. I cannot wait to eat these with the lentils and rice. So I'm about to go eat. You guys let us know down below if you decide to try this recipe for these beautiful bakes. Let us know how you eat them and how good they are. Thanks for watching.